If you're here, if you're watching this video, this program is what you're looking for. If you've put out a call, show me what to do, show me what my next step is. The fact that you're sitting here or standing here right now and watching this is a sign. Every single person that came to Body Electronics made the call. Every single person that came here in one way or another prior to arriving said, what's next? What is this thing that I'm looking for? How do I fix this? How do I get over this? If you're asking yourself these questions, this is your answer. Before I came to Body Electronics, I was holding back a lot of my emotions. I was holding back my expressions of love. I was holding back my gifts. I was keeping everything inside. I had this kind of fear of rejection that kept me closed off from truly experiencing my life. And now that I've been through this process with BE, I feel so open and I feel so connected. I feel ready to share my gifts with the world, ready to express my emotions. I'm so grateful that I was truly able to feel all that was coming up for me, all that's coming in for me, to feel the people in the group, the people that I got to connect with here, to feel the presence of the teachers and the teaching and the beautiful space that was created here. And it's that ability to feel, that opening to my feeling world that has just made all the difference for me.